Hey lovelies, today we're going to be making this amazing parsley hair oil, which is so nutritious to your hair. You get so many antioxidants from it and it's easy to make. Just going to toss all of our ingredients into a bowl. It's going to be our parsley, olive oil, and our essential oils after we cook everything down. As I said, this is a very moisturizing hair oil. It's great for those of us who can't use fenugreek, but we want some growth promotion with these simple ingredients. I know this looks like a lot of oil, but you're gonna pop that into a double broiler, which we're just gonna be using a deep pot in a bowl. You're just gonna boil this for medium heat. Once it's all boiled for about 20 minutes, you're gonna take it off the heat, let it cool, and add your essential oils. It's gonna be 10 to 20 drops per, just so you can get the most out of the effects of your essential oils. Pour that into a separate jar and allow it to cool. You're gonna then put it into a dropper bottle and use it for a massage. Nice and easy. Thank you so much for watching. Follow us for more videos.